I'm ready. In there, steady, ready, like steady, like ready, Betty. No, not really. What's up, guys? So today I am going to do a try on haul for all of my athletic wear or my workout wear, and then also my homebody type of clothes, because lately I've just been a homebody. I mean, we all have from COVID, right? Okay, anyway, so it's been a long time since I did a try on haul, and I'm really excited because over the past month I have been accumulating a lot of clothes from just shopping at various places. So today is not a specific store that I got all these items from. These items come from a few different places. Some of them are department stores and some of them you probably can buy online. So if I have any links, I'll make sure I put it down in the description box below. But I'm excited. Yeah, and if y'all like my little hair, you know what I'm saying? Get a little twist action. You know what I'm saying? These twists, I have a tutorial on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a little link up here. You can check that out later. Not right now. Make sure you like this video, share, and subscribe to TIECE'S TV. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hold on, I'm trying to catch my breath. Okay, honey, so let's get into this look. Now, I have been trying to start doing yoga and just incorporating that in my lifestyle. So I've been definitely needing more workout clothes, and I like to have very cute workout clothes that I can wear for working out, and then also if I'm running an errand or something like that. So I went to Ross and I found, first of all, this is not a set, and you'll see in a minute when I play the clips, but this is not a set at all. This top was $6.99, and I got I think 4 different colors of this top, because y'all, check out this top. I love that it has the peekaboo right here in the stomach area, and it also has some cute little design in the back of the shirt. It just makes me look still so cute while trying to stretch and get my little yoga going on. It's very comfortable. I can definitely wear this without a sports bra because it has a lot of support, and the fabric it just holds me very nicely. So if I'm bouncing, I'm jogging, or if I'm walking, or if I'm stretching or whatever, nothing's falling out. I mean, I really don't have a lot going on anyway. I just love that I can literally put this on if I'm wearing it with a workout outfit, and I can also wear this with some shorts too. It's just bomb. Now these pants, I was not looking for these pants. They were looking for me. They're actually leggings, but I wanted to get something. I'm trying to find more things that I can create into a set. So I saw these pants literally almost next to it, basically. Not really, because I had to search for it, but I stumbled on these, and they had the blue in the pants. I was it matches perfectly, and why not? I think these are $6.99, so it just was meant to be. I like that it has a color block type of theme going on, and it's a very comfortable legging. It's super soft. It does make my booty look real good, you know what I'm saying? It just lift me up real nice, give me a little curve effect. It's just really nice. I don't think Ross has an online website, so this is something that you just have to go into the store and just find. But they have a lot of them right now. I snagged up at least, I said, 4 or 5 of them, and y'all, I just love it. Okay, so I told y'all I bought a whole bunch of these shirts, and I just love this color. I had to get red because I have some red sneakers that I knew would go great with this top. And I just paired it with these black, what are these called? Black biker shorts, because I didn't really buy it a set to go with this, but I knew that with this red top, it can literally go with anything. Now this top is actually made from a different type of material. I think this is more what is it, nylon or nylon and spandex. I think it's a mixture of both. It's more of a knit type of top. So it's a lot more stretchier. It doesn't give me the same type of I guess smooth feel that the other one gives me. I feel that one would wick away the sweat. And the reason why I know that is because I actually wore it for an event that I had to do, and it was extremely hot that day, and I like completely just like sweated it out. And the shirt did really, really well. Like it wicked away the moisture. This one I feel like it would just kind of like, it wouldn't do as much. Same price, $6.99. I love it. It's so cute. It has a similar design as the first one, but it's more of just the opening. It doesn't have like those cute little details in the back. I would probably pair this with either black, with gray, with white. If you have some type of like bottoms that do have red in them, great. I would probably keep it like this, and I'll probably add my red sneakers. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, so I got these from Bealls like a long time ago. These are RBXs, but I'll probably end up wearing these sneakers. Let me see if I can come up closer. So yeah. So these are still like basically brand new. I haven't really worn these yet. Add me a little black hat, or if I wanted to or not, and be on my way. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Now I just had to go with pink. I had to go with pink. This is another top that of course I got from Ross, and it's still the same price. Yep, still the same price. I just love that it just complements my skin tone. I think honestly any color would compliment dark skin tone, or like, you know, melanin. Like this right here, I just love. I probably wouldn't wear it with these shorts, but I don't feel like changing out in and out of my shorts. So I like the idea that I can honestly just wear this to go or working out. Like it's still the same type of quality, same type of feel, and just the looks that it gives. I think it's literally the same for all three tops. I do have another one. It's pretty old though. I have this also in like a dark gray. I'm not gonna try that on in this haul because I have so many others to show you guys. So yeah, once again, you wouldn't have to wear a sports bra with this if you don't want to. Of course you can if you do. And I love that the straps are thick enough so that if you do want to wear a sports bra, like you can hide your sports bra or your bra, whatever that you decide to wear. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try on these. I think the next thing that I have are some sets. Let me show you guys the next set, because this next set is real cute. Y'all check me out. Check me out. Some of you guys have maybe already seen like this look in my latest Bealls commercial video. When I first saw these at Bealls, I was just like, they have to come home with me. Like the color, the texture, the fabric, it's just, it was everything for me. And also the price too. Now I don't remember exactly how much it cost. I think the set was maybe like $12, I want to say. And it's honestly one of my favorite outfits. I love that it has this really deep V in the front, and I love that it has like a crop top. Same thing with the nice high-waisted leggings. This is also knit as well, so it does kind of make it like not only just a workout outfit, but it's also like an outfit that you can wear out with your friends. I can wear this with some heels if I wanted to. I can wear this with sneakers. Like it's really multifunctional. So I love that about this outfit, but there's a few things that I don't like. And I just discovered this just now. So like I said, I did wear this to create a commercial video. So I did have some time to like, you know, wash it and like wear it for, you know, I didn't really wear it for a day, but like for an hour, I would say. And so I realized there's a hole in my pants, like a hole right here. So I'm kind of bummed out about that, because this is like, the color is just bomb on me. Like, I love this color. I love the fit, and it's just, it's a really great workout outfit. I just wish it didn't have the hole. If I were you, I would definitely snag one up. I would just be careful about, you know, I don't know what I did. Was it me sitting on a log or something? Or was it in the washer? Maybe I should hand wash these. That's a lot of work. Either way, if you want to look cute, go to Bealls Outlet, okay? Now this, I will see if it's online. I don't know if it is online. I know they do have a store that you can go to on beallsoutlet.com, but I don't know if it is online. I'll make sure I'll leave it in the description box below. I love like sets. Like I feel like it's a lot easier to, first of all, you don't have to worry about matching, but it always looks cute and cohesive. So yeah, I love the black. Of course, I can always go get me a black, and it's just, you know, simple, easy, and it is, what's the word? I can't think of the word, but this one actually don't have a rip, thank you Jesus. It could have been from the video I made. This material, I forgot to mention in the other outfit that it actually snags very easily. So like if you have like any sharp items or things like that, then you know it can snag, but for the most part I don't really wear too many things that will snag it besides like my ring or something like that. But other than that, it's like, it's just so cute. I mean, it's $12, you know, for the top and the bottom. And I just love that it's black. I'm starting to become a little bit more of a minimalistic type of, you know, person when it comes to like style and just home and life really. So I'm really like into like blacks and browns and neutrals and whites. Oh yes, I have clothes all over the place. I have to move it. Okay. This is perfect for the type of lifestyle that I'm trying to like transition into. So yeah, I love it. This one actually I can get away with not wearing a bra a little bit more because it's black, you know what I'm saying? It just hides a little bit more, but it just looks good, you know what I'm saying? Giving it. All right, so check it out. So I have definitely got, like I said, more into just loungewear. So I found a lot of shorts and joggers from Ross. Hey Rocky. Hey buddy. Hi buddy. I'm making a video. Okay? I gotta talk to you later. I can't cuddle right now. I can't cuddle right now. Alright, so I picked up these shorts. I just kept on the top from the other outfit. How much are they? I think I tore the thing off. But I think these run about maybe like $7-8. And they're just so cute. They're very comfortable. The elastic around the waist is crazy amazing because it's not like super tight. I don't care too much about the print. So they do have a lot of shorts that, or joggers too, that have like a lot of the like different sayings and stuff, and you guys will see that once I try on the others. But which is fine. But if they completely just had some like clean plain ones, that would be even better. But they're extremely comfortable. They're so soft. They're so soft, and they're also very stretchy. Like, y'all see that? Look how much stretch it is. Like, this could also, like, a person that's a size medium could probably wear this too, but this is a size small. I love that it has pockets. Y'all can see I'm over here, got my hands in my pockets. Like, this is perfect. Like, I love that it's just really comfortable and it just matches my lifestyle, honestly. Now, I don't do a lot for my booty, but usually like these baggy shorts, like, you know how when you pick up your man shorts, you know what I'm saying, so you can wear them throughout the day because you don't feel like wearing your own clothes. That's what these feel like, but they're just meant for us. Like, it feels like I'm wearing my man shorts without wearing my man shorts. Like, it's luxury living, y'all. I would definitely buy more if I find some more. Right now at Ross, they have like a huge selection, like right in the back towards, like, I think like the dresses, like right before you get to the dresses in the junior section, they have like a ton of joggers and shorts. I'm leaving the best for last. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. All right, these are another pair of shorts that of course I found at Ross, and these are actually $7.99. So this one comes in like this, I wanna say it's like a dusty blue, and then it has the word kindness on the shorts. Now it fits the same exact way as the last shorts, and it also has like the same type of like feel, like it's super soft yet again. I love like it has pockets, and the waistband of course is really stretchy. Like everything that I mentioned from the last pair of shorts is the exact same way on these. It's just that the color is different, of course. I would probably like wear this with like maybe like white, or if I did find like a dusty blue shirt, that would probably be really nice. maybe like gray, like try to keep it in the neutral color scheme. These shorts here are extremely thick, like they're really thick, and they have like a cotton like inside of them. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one because it's literally about to be redundant, so I don't want to repeat myself, but I'll show you guys the next couple of shorts. I'm on some Toby stuff now, you know what I'm saying? I got my teal, I'm ready. In there said he ready, like ready Betty. No, not really. Y'all, I was so excited to show you guys this. Now they might not match like literally to the T. I don't really know how it looks in the video, but in person, they are like on it, like it's on point. So I'm gonna tell you the reason why I was so excited to show you guys this set, because like, first of all, it's the color for me, okay? It's the color for me. It's the price for me, okay? Let me just go ahead and get into the details, okay? This top was on sale for $3.99, okay? So I got this in a clearance section, and it says magical, which, you know, period. But that's not the reason why I got this outfit, okay? The reason why I got this outfit was because of the joggers. I went to so many stores to find my size in these joggers. Now I think I still haven't found my size. This is the smallest I found, and I had to get them. I think these are a size medium. Let me just make sure. Yep, these are a size medium, and no matter what, I was like, you know what, they have to come home to me. The first time I bought these pants were in a size large, and although they fit me and they looked okay, it was a little too baggy for me, so I went ahead and got a medium. So if I do see a small, I'm snagging it up like this. I am getting it ASAP. But I love it because on the pants it says Jesus is King. That's why I love it so much. Not only the color is popping and it's just so great, it just reminds me of Toby and his amazing artistry, but it says Jesus is King. Oh yeah, by the way, I got this from Ross. These were $9.99. I'm telling you right now, I was like, I have to get them because of the saying and because of the paint, like just the color and you know, the waistband. You know, it is pretty stretchy. You know, the bagginess is pretty cool. It's just it's super comfortable. It's a very thick material, so it does keep me very warm. Yeah, I just love that part. And then when I found this shirt, I was like, even though it doesn't match necessarily as far as like the words and all that good stuff, it just looks really cute together. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do plan on doing like a series over the next few weeks or so, I don't know, on just like try on hauls, because I do have like I said, I have a lot of clothes that I bought like over the last month, so I definitely want to make sure that I show you guys everything that I got, but it definitely won't fit into like one video. Like just this video alone, I know it's gonna be a super long video, so just imagine, out of all the items that I've gotten, there's no way I can fit it into a video that's feasible for YouTube. Like, y'all be sitting there watching me for 3 hours. And I don't know if y'all want to watch me and hear me talk for 3 hours, okay? Because I don't even want to hear myself talk for 3 hours. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to TIECE'S TV and also like this video, comment, share, and yeah, have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.